Dear students, today onwards we'll be beginning the second semester. I know that you have not completed the first semester. Absolutely, I'm sure that this is the first time in the university that without completing one semester going ahead. In one way, you are privileged, but in another way, I know that you are a burden. At your back, there are five subjects which you have already learnt but could not write the exams, and that exams are pending, and you are going to study another six more subjects. So I am sure that this is a burden, but can't help it. We have to walk according to the situations. Now, for your class, I'll be dealing mainly the marketing management, strategic marketing management subject, and this is a one of the important subject where it is helpful in your practical life. So all the aspects that you are covering in these subjects will benefit you in one or the another way. Therefore, as you are beginning the second semester, I welcome you all, and I wish that you will have a better learning experience. And I know that pattern of learning has changed now. In the first semester, you got an opportunity to come to the college and learn it. But today, you don't have that opportunity. But at the same time, we are helping you to learn in a better way through our online forum. But I know that even though you can gather more and more knowledge, information, material regarding the subject, you will be missing the sweet memories. Memories of coming to the college are something different than just learning yourself by sitting at home. Absolutely, you can become more and more intelligent. You can learn a lot. You can become highly knowledgeable in the subjects matters. But many other aspects that you are learning in the classrooms that you will be missing. But what to do? Can't help. It's because of the pandemic we have to abide by, and will be continuing with this forum, and I'm sure that all of you will be cooperating with us and continuing with this. So today I'll be presenting just the syllabus, and here I'll be taking the subject called strategic marketing management. So please note that you will be learning with me this subject, strategic marketing management. So today I am presenting you just the syllabus and nothing else. So there are six six chapters in this subject. So what is the reason behind studying this? So just let's know the objectives. So if we know the objectives, then we can study this subject very enthusiastically. There are three objectives that's framed by university itself. The first objective of learning strategic marketing management is to familiarize students with the advanced concept and issues of strategic marketing and enable them to be able to analyze the market environment and develop international marketing strategies for a business firm. So this sentence is very lengthy. Just to tell you in simple, the basic idea of learning this subject is to know the advanced concepts and issues of strategic marketing. So we must learn more and more about strategic marketing. Then second one is to analyze the market environment, and finally to develop the international marketing strategies. What are the strategies that are followed in the international marketing? That need to be learnt because we have to equipped with the modern technologies. And second objective of this subject is to identify the importance and philosophies in marketing management. So what are the philosophies, what are the theories that are followed in the marketing management? That has to be studied because what understanding we have regarding the marketing management is something completely different. And the third objective that is framed to understand the market driven strategies. What are the strategies that are existing in the marketing? That also we have to glance through. Now, let's move with the syllabus. So, in this subjects, we are going to deal with these 6 units. The first unit is strategic marketing management. So, what is included in this? I will be showing in the next slide. Then you have a second unit, marketing and strategy interface. And the third unit, marketing mix strategy. Fourth unit, we have promotion mix strategy. Fifth unit, we have strategic evaluation. And sixth unit, we have international marketing. So everything related to the marketing, and these are the advanced topics. I know that you have studied in the graduation and the same topics, some are repeated. At the same time, we are moving with some advanced topics. Therefore, please don't think that just what you have studied in your degree classes is sufficient, so we need not go through. No, this is something different than what you have studied, but the basic concepts are same. So let's move with the first unit. In the first unit, strategic marketing manage, we have these topics that we are going to study. The first topic we have nature of strategic marketing management. What is in simple we can say the characteristics. Then marketing philosophies. This is one of the important question. What are the philosophies that are followed in the marketing? Then advanced concepts and approaches of the strategic marketing management. So then we have to study customer relationship that you have studied, but still will be again going through. Then marketing components of strategic marketing management. So components of strategic marketing management. Then we have to study a small concept called brand loyalty, another concept called brand positioning, another called brand resonance. These are three similar short notes topics. Then we have a crisis marketing, then unique selling proposition. These are the simple topics we will be studying in our first unit. Let's move to the second unit. So in the second unit called marketing and strategy interface, we will be studying nature of marketing environment. So what is marketing environment? So the characteristics of marketing environment, that we will be studying. Then mission and vision statements. So they are very important in the field of marketing. Mission and vision statements. What's the purpose, how to frame, and all those things we are going to study. Then marketing audit and SWOT analysis, that also we will be learning. Growth share approaches to competitor analysis. Competitive advantage and Porter's 3 generic strategies. So you have studied this concept, again we are repeating. Strategies for market leaders, followers, challengers and niches. So what are the strategies that are followed by the market leaders, followers, challengers and niches? The 4 groups, what strategies they are following, that we will be studying. Approaches to customer analysis, that also we will be studying. Then factors influencing consumer behavior. This is one of the important aspect in the marketing we are studying. Factors influencing consumer behavior, that we will be dealing with. Then buying decision process. So in buying also, to make a decision to buy, there is a process going through. There are various steps, and that we will see. Then finally marketing myopia and its dimension. This is something very important aspects. Just a minute. Yes. So marketing myopia is also one of the important topic. Now let's move with the third unit. The third unit is a marketing mix strategy. Marketing mix strategy. In this unit will be studying marketing segmentation, then we will be studying research and development factors in marketing, so research and development factors in marketing perspective. Then we will be learning about the basis for segmenting consumer and industrial markets. So segmenting is also one of the important aspect. Market targeting and product positioning, then product life cycle, how the product will go on, what is the life of a product that we have to study, new product development process, then service marketing. So these are the subjects that we are, these are the topics that we are learning in the this subject. Service marketing is a new concept as such. So let's move to the fourth unit. So in the fourth unit we will be studying promotion mix strategy. So in this we will be studying the elements in the promotion mix, what all things are included in the promotion mix, then advertising's objectives, then budget, message, media and measurement. Then we have a sales promotion. The topics called public relations also important. Then personal selling, event markets, customer experience and value creation. Then database market. So all these topics are involved in the promotion mix. How to promote a product? That's all the strategies here. Then in the fifth unit you have a strategic evaluation. Meaning, objectives and methods of strategic marketing evaluation. Strategic evaluation is very important. You have to evaluate. Then so some of other aspects, short note types, marketing control, social marketing, green marketing, global marketing. These are the recent origin topics. So we are going to study. Then ethical issues and dilemmas in marketing. So there are some ethical issues have arisen. Then lifetime value measurement. So this also one of the important aspects. These will be dealing in the fifth unit. And in the sixth unit, international marketing. This is a different branch itself. We are dealing with the international marketing, not the just national. We are going away from our borders. So nature, importance, scope of international marketing. What is international marketing? We have to study, because today international business has grown up like anything, and because of the e-commerce and because of the online selling, buying and selling. So there is a high importance to learn the international distribution and logistics management. Then we have a inventory management. Then international advertising not just within our country, so we have to go abroad. Then international marketing through the internet. So most of the international marketing activities are taking place through the internet. Therefore this all aspect also we have to study. So these are the issues that we are dealing in this subject. I just gave you the glimpse of the subject. Total that 6 units, what are things are covered, and my intention was by giving this syllabus you are preparing yourself and trying to gather more and more information material regarding these topics, so that you are well equipped. And be clear, I am also sad that you have not completed the exams of the previous semester, and all those exams are there, and now we are going to begin 6 more subjects, and in these 6 more subjects you are still burdened that you have to study a lot, prepare a lot. Therefore these things you have to keep in mind, and that will really trouble you. So you have to be very cautious that every day keep it learning, and the videos that I am sending every day, please go through now and then about the subjects and make the class notes, because I am not going to supply you any other study material than my online classes. Therefore please cooperate with me and learn for your bright future. Thank you.